Welcome everyone to a new video. Today we're celebrating 400 subscribers, so I decided to cook a special video. I got here these two lovely lobsters and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do with them. Let's go through the ingredients and we start to cook. How I said earlier, I got here two lovely lobsters, half a lemon, two cornichons, half a red onion, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of capers, oil 200 milliliters, and I got some garlic butter left from the previous recipe. If you want to see the full recipe, you're gonna have a link in the description and you can check it out. I got here the chives, some fresh chives, and we're gonna cook these two lovely lobsters. I know a lot of people is scared of cooking lobsters. I don't get it why. It's extremely easy. This time I could get only the pre-cooked ones. I'm gonna take out the tails because for this video I'm gonna use only the tails. The rest I'm gonna keep on the side and I'm gonna use for a fish stew or for something like that. I got here a bowl with water, so we're gonna wash the ends of the tails. Make sure you always wash it. Okay, we got them washed. And now we're gonna start the prep. And what I will do with the tails, with a normal pair of scissors, I will cut just the carcass out. Like this. If you wanna keep, that's the reason why I cut it like this. If you wanna keep this, it looks nice, to be honest. If you wanna keep it on and you wanna grill it or you wanna cook it like that, then it's the best way to cut it like that. If you just wanna take out the meat, you just go in the middle with a scissor or with a knife very gently and you take out the actual meat, the tail. In today's video I'm gonna use only the tails. How I said earlier, the rest I'm gonna keep for a fish stew. Again, if you wanna see the recipe for the fish stew, I will leave a link in the description, you can check it out. You take out the second tail. I will say this again, this lobster, they've been cooked, yeah? We take this skin off, we take out the intestine. This is the intestine of the lobster. It's exactly like with the prawns. You need to clean it. If you want, you can rinse this piece as well and you can put it back. We go again down on the middle. Take the intestine out. Put on the side, we rinse a little bit. And again with this part, if you want to use it, you can just rinse it. And you put it back on, if you want. If you don't, you don't. I got here a pan, which I can put in the oven. I'm just gonna put these tails like this. And I'm gonna put garlic butter on it. I will say this again, these lobsters are already cooked. So you just need to give the flavor, so you don't need to cook it, to actually cook it, you just flavorize it. So this will go in the oven on 200 degrees for 3-4 minutes maximum. I put a little bit of garlic butter on it as well, just to intensify the flavor and to be a nice flavor, yeah? And now it's going in the oven for 3-4 minutes on 200 degrees. Now they're going in the oven. See you in 4 minutes. Now until the lobster is cooking, I'm not gonna waste the time. And 4 minutes, trust me, is plenty of time to do a lovely sauce. This is my favorite sauce. Very basic, very simple, but it's lovely. I forgot to put 1 egg, so just a second. I always forgot something on each recipe, so that's why I suggest to everyone to watch the full video, because I might forgot few ingredients. Okay, I got 2 teaspoons of mustard, I got 1 egg yolk. We mix this nicely. I got here a non-slip mat, which I'm gonna put underneath the bowl, so it doesn't mix when I put the oil. And basically we're gonna make a mayo to start with. Homemade mayonnaise. That's pretty much it. The base of the mayonnaise is ready. Now, I always put, if I got garlic butter, I always put 1 tablespoon of garlic butter in. Trust me, it makes the difference. Half a lemon squeezed in. We put this on the side. And we carry on with the capers. That's perfect. I'm gonna add this to the mayonnaise. Now the cornichons. I'm just gonna slice them in small pieces. If you want, you can grate them. There is a lot of people who grate them as well. They don't like to feel. I prefer to feel it a bit chunky. And this is the size which I like. And the last but not the least, the onion, red onion. You can put red onion or shallot. They are much sweeter than white onion. That's the only reason. You chop this. Now we take the chives. We bring back our bowl with mayo and capers. We put the rest of the ingredients in. Gonna add a touch of salt, of black pepper, sorry, and of course Maldon sea salt, the best salt in the world, in my opinion. Now we mix all together. And in 3 minutes you got the best tartar sauce, homemade from scratch. Now let's check on the lobster. On the 4 minutes for my lobster expired, and I got here the lovely tartar sauce which I show you step by step how to do it. I got here 1 ciabatta roll and I got 2 leaves of lettuce. There is my lovely lobster, and now I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. I got here the bread. I go in with the homemade tartar. Be generous with it. I love it. This is my best, my best favorite sauce, definitely. We go with one lettuce on the bottom. I got here the one tail, the second tail. I got here the two strips which I break earlier on. We don't waste nothing. From a lobster you never waste nothing. From the carcass I'm gonna do a bisque for my fish stew. Okay, I chop it up. Now this goes on top. Now I top it up with the other lettuce leaf. I put the top on. Now this is the lobster roll, in my opinion. I did slice it just to see how it looks inside. In my opinion, this is a decent lobster roll. I would say even more than decent. You have to try this. Trust me, it's super delicious. Now before I do the taste test and I dig in, I would like to say a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. Who didn't, please do it right now. And please let me know in the comment section what would you like me to cook when we get to 500 subscribers. Please, now it's time for the taste test. Look at this. Oh my god. The best. Definitely the best lobster roll I ever had in my life. This being said, I will see you next week with a new comfort food dish.